this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmarks, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Location and nearby amenities and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests and guests. Its review rating is 7.6, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. By commenting, we will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe to our channel.